Good morning everyone, my name is Sai Kumar, room number 209518262, subject in history, center of gravity. What is center of gravity? Center of mass is the point where a body can be balanced in a uniform gravitational field, point where most the mass is concentrated. The center of gravity is a single point on an object where all of its weight is assumed object. Locating the center of gravity. The center of gravity of a uniform object is at the midpoint. Its geometric center, supporting the single point, the point, suppose the whole object. Locating the center of gravity. The CG of object may be located where no actual material exists. Given the figure is an example for locating the center of gravity. It's locating the center of gravity. Center of gravity of people when you stand erect with your arms hanging at your sides. Your CG is within your body. It is typically 2 to 3 centimeters below your navel and midway between your thumb and back. The CG is slightly lower in women than in men because women tend to be proportionally larger in the pelvis and smaller in the shoulders. In children, the CG is slightly 5% higher because they proportionally larger in heads and shorter legs. Can an object have more than one CG? Where is the center of gravity is of a donut. In the center of hole, a rigid object has one CG. If it is one rigid, such as piece of clay or putty and is distorted into different shapes, then its CG may be changes on its shape. Even then, it has one CG for any given n shape. When you carry a heavy load such as a pile of water with one arm, why do you tend to hold your free arm out horizontally? You tend to hold your free arm outstretched to shift the CG of your body away from the load, so your combined CG will more easily to be above the base of support. To resist being toppled, why does a wrestler stand with the feet wide apart and bent knees? A wide apart feet increase the support base, bent knees lower the CG. Measure maintaining equilibrium. A measure of the difficulty of displacing of an object or system from equilibrium. Equilibrium is unstable when CG is lowered with displacement. Stable work must be done. A cone balance its base make to top. Its CG must be raised. T means the cone potential energy must be increased which requires work. W says an object that has balanced so that any displacement right is in the stable equilibrium. If you position the cone is then its CG is exactly above its tip. The slight vibration of air current work case the cone topple. The CG is lowered by any moment. We say that object balances so that any displacement lowers its CG is in unstable equilibrium. When the cone is placed on its side, its CG is neither raised nor lowered with displacement. An object this configuration is neutral equilibrium. On skyscrapers, the CG of a building is lowered if much of the structure is below ground level. This is important for tall, narrow structures The CG is deeply rooted that its CG is actually below ground level. It cannot fall over intact because falling would not lower its CG at all. Stability and balance. Stability, resistance to disruption of equilibrium. Factors that affect stability: mass, friction, horizontal position, and height of the center of gravity with respect to the base of support. Balance, ability to control equilibrium. Foot position. Foot position affects standing balance. Thank you.